Today, natural resources are being depleted at record rates. If this continues, it can affect everything from the land we farm to the food we eat.
Farmers, dairymen, and livestock producers do an excellent job on the farm of ensuring sustainable livestock production. One of the ways that they're doing this is through utilizing co-products from food production and fuel production as a source of nutrients in livestock production to ensure the sustainability as well as the proper disposal of those co-products from these other industries. By feeding them to cattle, we don't have to put them into landfills, we don't have to take those co-products and burn them. We can use them to produce other sources of nutrients, higher value sources of nutrients that humans can directly utilize.
In agriculture, it's important to practice environmentally friendly farming manufacturing methods that preserve an ecological balance.
Westway's about utilizing co-products, and co-products, if not found productive purposes for, become an environmental hazard or an environmental load. By finding ways to take these co-products from other applications, primarily food, as I said, we find a way to keep those from being a burden on an environment and instead turn them into an asset for the animals' productive purposes.
Westway Feed Products, located in Tomball, Texas, leads the liquid feed manufacturing business in sustainability, providing industries across the globe with agricultural-based liquid solutions.
Westway Trading Corporation began in the early 1940s. It began as the Industrial Molasses Company, which was a small family-owned molasses trading business in the Northeast. So they continued to evolve from that, and they started building some liquid feed capabilities, some infrastructure around that, and they started building some storage capabilities. And then through a strategic investment in 1992, and then again a full ownership in 1995, Westway Feed became on a path of acquisitions and organic growth. And through those acquisitions and through our organic growth, we've got a very large footprint across North America. Generally, the liquid feed manufacturing business has used co-products that generally were thought of little value or no value. What we do is we take products that formerly were of little value and were disposed of in less than desirable ways, and we're creating value-added products around them. Westway Feed Products will collaborate with our suppliers, and we will, through our knowledge and our research, we'll work with them to create co-products that have better handling characteristics and a better nutrient profile. So what that does for the supplier, from a sustainability standpoint, it allows him to get more value for his products and not have to dispose of it in a less desirable way. And what it means for our customers is we're providing them a economical, safe supplement solution to their animals' needs.
Westway determines their customers' needs and develops products to meet their individual specific goals through their global manufacturing, well-trained sales and service, and technical support.
Each customer is unique. They have different resources available to them, and so we analyze those resources and we understand what they have. And our product is a product that will balance and fit and fill the gaps between what resources they have and what the cattle need. And no two customers' resources are the same. And so it's important that we get to know those customers, understand what they have, see what's missing, and fill the gaps.
I use Westway Feeds, and my customers use Westway Feeds because of the quality. Quality in the service. If we have specific problems that a customer might have pertaining to his herd, we have the ability to obtain the information for a specific problem, for a solution to the customer's problem.
Westway provides value-added services through their extensive sourcing, storage, production, and distribution network.
Well, in sourcing, we procure ingredients from all over the globe. We utilize our relationship with our parent company, ED&F Man, to form those relationships and to find where those products can be sourced from. And we have a great relationship with food and feed companies around the globe. And this really gives us a strategic advantage because we can go out and utilize those relationships to get products that are not readily available for other liquid feed companies. Westway has more storage in North America and in Europe than any other liquid feed company on the globe. So that really helps us to create a good buffer space so that we can take additional quantities of co-products when they're available. Co-products can vary on seasonality, so the companies that need to move those co-products rely on us because we have a large amount of storage. And with that storage, it gives us a lot of flexibility on what we can use in our formulations. And those are things that our competitors just don't have. So that helps us in our economies of scale, in our efficiency, and also in the quality of the finished product that we make. With production, Westway has 31 production facilities around the U.S. and Canada. So this really gives us a large footprint to help us be efficient at distributing, manufacturing, and getting those products to the end user in a fast, effective manner. And by doing that, we take care of our customer requirements. So with those 31 facilities, we utilize a lot of technology and standardization in those plants so that we can make all of our product ranges in the right marketplace. And that helps us to meet the customer demand and provide the right kind of products that we want to see get to the marketplace.
With more than 60 years of experience in liquid feed, an industry-leading workforce, extensive access to molasses and other co-products in the U.S. and internationally, Westway remains a key player in the feed industry.
Man Liquid Products is a leading global supplier of molasses and sugar-based products. They serve the animal feed industry, the fermentation industry, and several other industrial uses. So Man Liquid Products serves these distinct markets by providing the link between the sugar mills and this distinct customers. What Man Liquid Products specializes in is in sourcing, shipping, storage, and distribution of these molasses and sugar-based products.
Westway handles in excess of 1.8 million tons of product annually for U.S. feed markets, making them the largest liquid feed manufacturer in the U.S.
We have 31 feed manufacturing locations across North America. We're coast to coast. We produced over 1.8 million tons of product last year. This makes us the largest liquid feed manufacturing company in the United States.
Westway is continuously looking at co-product streams from the food feed industry that provides the opportunity to maximize the nutrition they bring to producers in the safest and most affordable manner.
Safety and affordability are high on Westway's list. They're paramount on our list of how to qualify products. Safety isn't typically implied because most of our raw materials actually come from co-products that are byproducts of making human food from agricultural products. That gives us a certain advantage in that we know the base material is safe and wholesome for human consumption. The question about affordability or profitability is really the fact that we are taking residual products from other applications and finding a place for them in feeding programs for animals. By knowing something of the composition of the products and the animals' requirements, we find ways to fill the gaps between what the animal producer might have on hand and what the animal's needs are. We then source materials that complement what he has, put those in packages that help him meet the animal's requirements when he's using them for food production. Westway feed products are nutritionally beneficial because the process that we use to qualify raw materials and our knowledge of animal requirements and formulation and procurement, we make products that complement what other materials are used to feed the animals. Profitability for the producers is a function of helping the animal meet its requirements. Animals have requirements for maintenance, and they satisfy maintenance requirements before they do productive things with what they're fed. So that by helping animals reach their potential and reach their performance targets, we help them become profitable.
Working with industry leaders across the country and a customer base that includes ranchers, dairymen, dry feed manufacturers, feedlot operations, and hobby farmers, Westway values the relationships they have and place customer service at the forefront of their business.
Customers are our business. Customer service means making sure that our customers get the products they need, when they need them, and at a price that allows them to be profitable. This goes the same for our supplier customers, whom we purchase our co-products from as well. They have a need to see these co-products disappear, and we have a desire to utilize the nutritional value from these co-products in a beneficial way to aid our livestock customer base. Our employees at Westway embrace the challenges and opportunities that are afforded by our being in the liquid solution business. They also celebrate being able to solve a problem or help a customer in need while making the earth a better place to live in the process. Westway will continue to be a leader in developing solutions for our customers' needs by continuing to do research in these co-products as they come to the market and developing safe nutritional supplement products. Westway will continue to have an impact on the growth and prosperity of the animal production industry well into the future.
For more information, visit www.westwayfeed.com or call 866-496-4065.